the Turkish defense industry has continued to show remarkable progress in recent years. After successfully developing combat drones, precision missiles, warships, and even a new generation of fighter jets, the world's attention is now focused on Turkey's ambitious ambition to build a state-of-the-art, domestically produced fighter jet engine. A modern fighter jet engine assembly line is more than just a factory. It's packed with automation systems, special pressurized sterile chambers, micron-precision CNC machines, and even laser-based inspection robots. Each engine component is manufactured to extremely tight tolerances to ensure perfect operation at supersonic speeds. The journey of a jet engine begins with the digital design process using supercomputers. Engineers design thousands of engine parts using aerodynamic simulations and artificial intelligence. Once the final design is complete, component production begins using specialized materials such as titanium, nickel alloys, and single turbine blades. Furthermore, the engine utilizes a modern electronic control system known as Full Authority Digital Engine Control FATIC. This system helps pilots achieve optimal performance in various flight conditions. The engine can automatically regulate fuel consumption, air pressure, and even thrust with great precision. Tech production facility. The jet engine construction process is carried out to stringent standards. Every component is inspected. Using a high-precision digital scanning system, even the slightest error can affect the engine's performance at high speeds. Before being installed on a fighter jet, the engine must undergo a series of extreme tests. The engine is placed in a special test chamber where it is tested under various conditions, from extreme cold to simulated air combat. During testing, the engine is run at maximum power to ensure the entire system is operating perfectly. Of the most complex parts of the production line is the assembly of the compressor and turbine. These components consist of dozens to hundreds of blades that must be perfectly aligned. The turbine blades are attached using a special locking system to enable them to rotate at incredibly high speeds. These materials are selected because they can withstand the extreme pressures and temperatures in the jet engine's combustion chamber. In some of the latest generation engines, the internal temperature of the turbine can even exceed the melting point of ordinary metals. Therefore, microcooling technology inside the turbine blades is one of the key secrets of modern jet engines. Modern jet engine factories are now equipped with sophisticated automation systems. Many production facilities utilize industrial robots that operate 24/7. These robots are capable of lifting heavy components, performing precision welding, and even performing quality inspections using digital sensors. Some production lines can even assemble fighter jet components in just tens of hours, thanks to full automation. Integrated assembly line technology enables faster production with higher precision than conventional methods. In addition to robots, augmented reality technology is also beginning to be used in the assembly process. Technicians wear digital glasses that display real-time assembly instructions, minimizing human error. This program aims to create not just an ordinary engine, but a modern fighter jet engine with supercruise technology, high fuel efficiency, and extraordinary thrust. This engine is expected to be able to propel Turkish fighter jets to supersonic speeds without the need for continuous afterburner use. This type of technology was previously only available to countries with highly developed aviation industries. Now, Turkey is seeking to join this elite group through significant investments in aerodynamics research, heat-resistant materials, and the latest generation of digital control systems. The development of a fighter jet engine is not just a technology project, but also a symbol of national independence. Turkey wants to ensure that its defense industry is no longer dependent on other countries. In recent years, Turkey has successfully increased its defense product exports to various countries. With the presence of a domestic jet engine, export opportunities for fighter aircraft and aviation technology are expected to increase dramatically. The success of this program also paves the way for the emergence of a new generation of Turkish aeronautical engineers capable of competing globally. Universities and research centers in Turkey are now focusing on developing advanced aviation engine technology to support the country's long-term projects. Observers believe that if this jet engine project is fully successful, Turkey will become one of the countries with the most powerful aerospace industries in the world. Not many countries are capable of designing and producing their own fighter jet engines, because this technology is highly complex and requires significant investment. Turkey is now demonstrating its commitment to building a modern air force based on national technology. From combat drones to next-generation jet engines, the country is slowly transforming itself into a global defense industry powerhouse. With continued technological advancement, the future of Turkey's aerospace industry looks increasingly promising. A state-of-the-art domestically produced fighter jet engine is not only a source of national pride but also a symbol of Turkey's rise to modern military technology on the global stage.